Good afternoon. Today, as a part of communication skills and life skills, under the subject code 310, let us discuss about time management. Time, time. How do you define time? What is time in our life? Time is something which never stops for anybody and everybody. It just moves on. Actually, we would like to move with the time, but we really don't find time to move it. But it goes on, it never stops for anybody. So why? What is the importance of time in our life? Why do we wake up early in the morning? Why do we have our lunch during afternoon? And why do we sleep in the night? So everything, the discipline, the behavior, everything goes with time, and we do follow time. We check our wristwatches, your mobile phones, and wall clocks for time. Why? We do all the things according to the time, you know. So how do we manage time? And every one of us, every being gets 24 hours per a day, but we can see there are plenty of successful men and women by utilizing their time successfully, but we do find people who doesn't even try and just keep themselves silent and idle. So what is the difference? What is the difference between these people? So that can be traced out. And being students and teachers and individuals, how do we use our time? How we are utilizing time? So generally we give complaints. I really don't find time to work on. I really don't find time to exercise. I don't find time to do some experiments. I don't get time to do something new, creative. You know, it may be in cooking or dressing or designing, crafting, anything. We get impressed with people who work on art and craft. We think, yeah, they have enough time to do this, but we really don't give our time. How it is going on? How do we manage our time? And what is this time? Why do we get it? And what is the skill that we apply to utilize the time so effectively and efficiently? So time is precious. We used to say time is precious, it never stops for anybody. You have to do your work immediately, you know. For example, if I say, when you are very hungry, then only you can feed your stomach, otherwise you don't really get the taste, or you don't get the value of the food. So when we are hungry, um, we eat with feeling, and we cherish the food, we enjoy the food, we just have our food happily. But when you are not really hungry, we don't even want to see the food items. At the same time, when you are hungry, when the food is available, and if you don't want to feed your stomach, after some time what happens? It is of no use. Even though if you feed your stomach, it gets pain. So everything should be done accordingly, according to the time. So that is the reason we have this part of divisions, like morning, afternoon, evening, and night. And we have divided our works to do in the morning, afternoon, evening, and night. So everything is important in our life: rest, food, and work. So, this work can be defined for a student as studies, and to the people for like earning. So there is a purpose of life. Yeah, I don't find time to watch TV. I don't find time to go to a movie. Since generally we listen to people, but why? Why couldn't you go to a movie or entertain yourself? Because life is part of everything. You have to do everything. Your work, your aspires. At the same time, you can give time for relaxation too. So this is like how do we just discuss about time management. It's really effective. And simply sometimes in our general nature, we have a very bad habit of procrastination. We keep things like postponement. For example, I just give you um, postponement and prioritizing, like doing works, when to do, what to do, how to do. So these things can be, for example, we have list of works in a day. For example, list of works like, I just tell you, being a woman, housemaker, and a working woman. Let me tell you, let me list some works, like for example, for a day. Okay, I just write cooking. Okay, preparing for class, cleaning wardrobe, visiting a friend, helping kids do homework. Fine. So here I have listed few works: cooking, preparing for class, cleaning wardrobe, visiting a friend, helping kids do homework. So how do we prioritize these things? So what can be the first work can be done? Being a woman, being a housewife, being a mother, I should cook first. Yes, cooking goes first here. One. Then preparing for class. Yes, because I have to prepare for my next day class, not today's class, because that comes first. If I prepare well, I'll be ready for the next class. So I have to do preparing for next class. Fine. So now rest of the things like cleaning wardrobe, visiting a friend, helping kids do homework. Yes, which can be done. Yeah. If visiting a friend is important, then let us do it. Visiting a friend, because you have to visit your friend and come back home by evening, because your kids would be waiting for you. So you can visit your friend. Cleaning wardrobe, helping kids. Yes, if you have enough time in between, you can clean your wardrobe and help your kids later in the evening. Okay, for example, you didn't do this. First, you have done, you visited a friend. Fine. You don't get enough time to prepare food. Your kids would be waiting, and you started cleaning wardrobe. Also, it takes much time, and by the time your kids come and they ask to help you, and you are busy with helping them. Fine. Then when do you get time for preparing for class? Obviously, what do? We postpone it to the next day morning. So what do we think? Let it be. I do it in the night, or else I get up early in the morning. I just go for preparing preparing for class in the morning. But is it possible for a working woman? Just think that this is like a Sunday, one holiday, um, holiday activities: cooking, preparing class, cleaning, visiting a friend, helping kids. Okay, So these things are listed for a holiday. So imagine that you have work tomorrow, and tomorrow you have to attend your college and take a class. So when will you do it? So prioritization is missing, because preparing for class is important, but you have done something wrong. So you couldn't manage your time, and while sleeping you thought that you would get up early in the morning and you go for preparing for class. For example, as you thought of getting up early in the morning around 5 o'clock, but you didn't do. You couldn't wake up at 5 o'clock and you woke up around 6:30. What would be the first priority? Because you have to take care of your home, your kids, and you have to cook for them. You have to prepare lunch for them to for lunch box and to carry box and everything. There only you finish your time. By 8:30 you have to move to your college, and you would be reaching your college by 9:30, and your class would be the first one to engage. What do we do? In a worst situations, what do? We substitute to somebody, some other colleagues, or else we go to the class with previous experience, but you don't get real satisfaction. You may engage the students, you may give some stuff to the students, but the efficiency which you have, the skills which you have is not really shared to the students. So it is a failure, it is a like mismanagement of your time, because being a holiday yesterday you had enough time, but you really passed your time and you didn't allot time for preparation for class. So this is the thing happens. So generally what do? We ignore the important things, we miss the prioritization. So all these things can be done without any hesitation by giving allotting their own time. But what do? We really what we don't care about the things, we don't care about the order of the things doing. So in this way what we are doing, we simply procrastinating, that means postponing. So by postponing what do? We get laziness and we lose interest, and it goes waste. So we have to manage our time. Okay, let us watch a video from an interesting motivational video from YouTube. Okay, so it's very interesting. So all of you please pass to watch.
You deserve to celebrate life. Life is so beautiful. You have just lost yourself into those petty things that are not okay in life, those small things which are not going right in life, and too much of sensationalization of wrong in the media. And added to that inherited suffering of mega serials going on sitting. Husband and wife சேருவாங்களா மாட்டமாங்களா? And in that all the time relationship between this husband and wife is going. அதை பார்க்கலாம், that you are not becoming aware of. Inherited suffering. I don't know how you commit yourself to such endless affairs of suffering. Every mother-in-law is bad. Every daughter-in-law is an innocent insect. Nah. Every boss is interested in secretary. Every boss tells the secretary, wait for some more time. You have to type a letter and go. Dialogue yavathu maathungama. There's only one good human being in the mega serial, he has died. Inherited suffering. Just give me a minute, just to illustrate a point. Just give me a minute and participate. I know you're all sophisticated people, but still please participate. We're just going to do a small demonstration right now. Just want all of you to raise your hands parallel to each other at shoulder height. Okay. One or two next to you will not do that. It's okay. The rest of you just raise your hands shoulder height. Okay. We're just going to do a small demo. I'm just going to say 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to say go. And when I say go, I want all of you to clap hands. Very simple, no complication. 1, 2, 3, go. And the moment you hear go from me, I want all of you to clap. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Nothing complicated, very simple, everybody can understand. I told twice, only after I say go you should do it. And that is the impact of what you see compared to what you hear. That is the impact. And when you sit and watch misery for 2 hours and 3 hours continuously, then these talks and all don't help. Every god became invisible because of this reason only. என்ன பண்றதுனே தெரியல அவங்கள வெச்சிட்டு. That is the visual impact. Somewhere there is exaggeration. 2 hours, 3 hours a day, you give away only to know what all is wrong in the world, what all misery is there in the world, when that's the time you must be coming. And then you say, there's no time to exercise, there's no time to take care of your health. Before you give your time and energy to something, ask yourself, is it going to either create value for you or for the world? I can understand distractions, but distractions are becoming your obsession. India versus Zimbabwe match, even Dhoni is not watching. And you sit and watch for 6.5 hours. In fact, sometimes I feel the passion you have to see Indian cricket succeed, if that passion you have for your own success, you will be a legend in the making. Legend in the making. Life is slipping, my dear. And you have endless time to waste. People say, I will settle down in 10 years and then I am planning to do something. Then you have not still understood your partner called God. There is no 10 years later. Has to happen today, has to happen tomorrow. Should have happened yesterday, but the talk is only today. So at least tomorrow. There has to be a sense of urgency and purpose to your life. You have to make it count.
See how interesting it is. Yes, it's a simple video of 5 minutes, but how we are utilizing our time, how we are wasting time by watching TV. Mega serials he mentioned, but we may not watch. All of us may not watch TV serials, but somewhere we sit down and we sit calmly and we do something else. We go on, we sit idle, we stand idle, or sometimes we sleep idle, we don't get sleep. And you think of something and we go into trance and we think of so many things. So we really don't care, we really don't pay attention towards the things. So he has given a very good example of watching TV serials, mega serials, by sitting together, wife and husband or family members it is. And I would like to substitute this with a mobile phone. Nowadays people may not be watching mega serials, but we are using mobile phones, we are engaging with mobile phones without any work, without any purpose, without any use. What do? We just before touching the screen, before touching the mobile to check the time or to make a call, what do? Yeah, we make a call and we finish it. When we are going to keep it down, we just take it back and think that okay, let me sit for a minute, let me go for my WhatsApp messages, and let me see what are the updates. So we go with, so that 1 minute goes to 1 hour because we really don't really care about it. That 1 minute we see some interesting headline or something, we move on, changing the uh, WhatsApp media, Facebook or YouTube. We just we change on the apps and we access them and we watch something interesting. So like that we waste our time and we forget what we wanted to do before we are going to touch the mobile phone. So that is the situation here. Not only among the youngsters, it is with all elders, youngsters, kids, and even the old people. So all of us are addicted to mobile phone, and we are really wasting our time like anything. So this is what we have to think about. You know, yeah, it is the same with TV. Though we don't watch mega serials, we put on TV, we switch on the TV, and we watch something. Some interesting ad is coming, then we watch it for a while. Okay, fine, if we move on, we change the channels. You somewhere you see the climax of a particular movie. Okay, good, you would like to watch it. Then after you change the channel again, you get an interesting song. So like this, 2 to 3 hours time spends and we are doing nothing in these 3 hours. There is no valuable time, there is no valuable work during this time. So this is what we need to think. Only if it is for a holiday, just now and then you can do. But it is of like, yeah, we take ambitions. He also mentioned, I would like to, I settle in my life after 10 years and I do it. So there is no meaning at all. So whatever we want to do, we have to put into practice. We have to manage our time, and it should be scheduled. It should be um, planned. How do you do, what to do, and how do you communicate, how do you help yourself to settle in your life. Time management, using time effectively and efficiently. So let us, until we can manage time, we can manage nothing else. Until we can manage time, we can manage nothing else. So if you don't have enough time, if you can't manage your time, see, for example, people, we see some people, they eat for the half an hour to 45 minutes. We really don't know. It doesn't mean that they eat much quantity, they take less quantity, but somewhere they talk and discuss and something, and they eat on for 45 minutes, 50 minutes. We sit idle, we think about people, we think about the things around us, we concentrate on news channels, we concentrate on the movie releases, you know. See simply how we are wasting time without any purpose. C. Heart of time management. Shift in focus. Concentrate on results, not on being busy. So, what do we do? For example, some of us, one of us thought that today I would like to, yeah, I would like to set all my books. My bookshelf should be cleaned and I should keep my books in an order. I thought of it doing, but today morning I woke up, I had my breakfast and watching an interesting movie in a TV. Then I watched it. Then after, mom called to help. Okay, fine, we helped mother for some time. Then you took some again. You sat with a mobile phone and you're chatting with your friend. It The time delays and it is around 4 to 4:30 in the evening. What do we do after checking time? What do we do? Simply, oh, it's already 4:30 today, let me do it tomorrow. It is not an emergency, it is not an important thing, so let me do it tomorrow. So that is the reason our elders say we have to do the work of tomorrow should be done today. कल का आज करो, आज का अब करो. you know you have to do your works of tomorrow today, and today's work now. So how we are translating? So where exactly it is going, it is all about our focus, because we, wherever we focus we sit down, so that can be monitored. We have to divert our focus, we have to think about the result oriented work. Okay, concentrate on your results, not on being busy. Simply by sitting busy, it doesn't say that you are doing something useful. So we have to shift our focus and do it. Ask yourself three questions: what do I want to do? When do I want to do it? How well do I want to do it? Fine, we have to ask what to do. So you are fixed to do something today. For example, you wanted to plant plantation, you wanted to do plantation for some time. Okay, fine, you just decide yourself and collect your plants and do it. When do I want to do it? Yeah, during, before lunch or after lunch or in the evening. You fix your own time. How well do I want to do it? Yeah, you can allot your time for 1 hour. You can work on plantation, and you can ask your friends or family members to join you and do the same work. So you can do it happily, in time. Not only in time, within the less time you can do your plantation and you can do your job. So yeah, common thread throughout the do I want to do? Making, organizing, and executing choices. What do I do? When do I do it? How well do I do it? So, time in. What do you want to do? For your career, for example, what do you want to do? Yeah, you want to become an engineer. When do I do it? Yes, after complete your 10th class, you have to join a diploma course, or you join intermediate with MPC. Yes, how well do I do? Yes, you have to go through the technical core subjects, you have to prepare well, you have to listen to your classes regularly, you have to go on, do your practicals. Everything is like, so choice is ours here. Cannot manage time, manage use of time. You know, cannot manage. So this is, you are giving up. You have two choice. I cannot manage time. If you say that, nobody can help you. If you say yes, manage use of time. Yes, I have to manage my time, because I woke up early in the morning, I do something in the morning, I live my day for a purpose, and I complete my tasks, and I just cherish my life. So that is the determination that we need to take, and we have to think, and we have to take a making decisions about what do I do. Making decisions about what to do, when to do, and how well to do. So these are the questions that we need to ask again and again, and we have to complete our task. For example, uh, your mother asked you to get some sugar to prepare tea. She has kept the tea bowl on the stove. She poured milk and added some tea powder and waiting for sugar. When shall you get? You should get that sugar immediately, because without adding sugar, the tea doesn't taste good. So when do you need to do that job? Evening or after some time? No. Immediately you have to respond, and you should rush to the shop and get some sugar. Otherwise, there is no meaning at all. Fine. So what to do, when to do, how, quality is equally important. What do I want to do? Depends on three things: basic needs, for example, quality and quantity of sleep, how well to meet current commitments, how well to do what you have to do, how much time to give unstructured activities. Yes, by evening, I have to complete my homework and assignments. I have to spend time with my friends. So you have to do this. If you focus on your assignments and you complete your task for your tomorrow's homework, you will be freed, and you can spend time with your friends not only for 1 hour, you can exceed the time and sit with your friends for some more time. So this procrastination thing could be avoided. We have to focus on the work, on purposefully we have to do it, right? Fine. Yeah, deciding what to do comes from within. Do you believe in what you are doing? Do you know what matters most to you? Every role, goal, commitment, task, habit, or action make more sense and have more meaning. When do I want to do it? Organizing time, choosing when to do something hard, best time to do it. Willpower and self discipline keys to display. Delaying gratification of doing it now. To delaying and gratification of doing it. So we have to organize time, we have to think, we have to manage, we have to schedule our time. Even for example, if you take a college or institute or a school runs according to time. By morning 9 o'clock, all of the students should assemble in the ground and they should go for a prayer. That discipline it shows. Immediately after prayer, they go to their respective classes and they will be engaged by the different teachers, different classes. So we design a timetable and we follow the timetable effectively without any problem. So by planning and scheduling, by following a strategy, you maintain discipline, you finish your task on time, you address your students, you listen to your students, you spend time with your students, and you can work on lessons, and it helps you to build the career of a student. So all of us have to do this. We have to understand the basic needs. What is the important thing that we need to do? Bad habit, reacting to things, other things pushed aside. Things control you rather than you controlling them. Yes, reacting to things, other things pushed aside. Yeah, sometimes we pay attention on something else, um, which is not really important. We go spend time without it. For example, um yeah, yeah, previous example, you were asked to get some sugar from the shop. Your mother already kept the tea bowl on the stove, and she's waiting for sugar. And you went out with the money and you went to the shop. There you met a friend. There you met a friend of your childhood or your colony mate. What do? You start speaking to them, talking to them, and discussing about the worldly matters, or how patients of corona are suffering, what is happening around us. So these things have been discussed and you have spent time more than 15 minutes. You might have had come home within 5 minutes, but you took more than 15 to 30 minutes and you didn't come back to your home. You didn't come back to your home, and it is of useless. Your mother had been waiting for you and she turned off the stove and kept tea aside, because without sugar it doesn't taste, and she has been waiting for you for past 20 minutes. So there is no use. That thing could be avoided. The focus, the divertness, the concentration on your work, which is important, which is urgent. Chit chatting about the worldly matters is not important at all. You have to say hi to your friend and you have to come back home and give it to your mother. That management, that skill should be there. you know all of us really waste our time. It is easy to say that you have to manage time, but it is really an exercise, a real time challenge to spend time, to manage time effectively and efficiently. So all of us have to think how, actually, what are the regular time wasters. What are the regular time wasters in our life? Because we have our own time. Generally, people waste on time by switching on to social media nowadays. Yes, by chit chatting with friends, neighbors, anybody on phone or offline or online. Fine. So, and we also don't think about the prioritization, which is important, which is urgent. So we are sometimes we are unable to decide, you know. So that is the reason we have to follow a time quadrant. Time quadrant. What is a time quadrant? Let me explain. We have to divide and divide the things like uh, I show you. Time quadrant. Time quadrant. Yeah. Urgent, important. Important. Not urgent, important. You know, the works can be divided. They are urgent and important. You have to do it immediately and importantly. Not urgent but important. Some works are like they are not urgent. You can do it. You have enough time. Okay, not urgent. Immediately you need not to do that. But you have to do that. You have to complete the task at any cost. So importantly. Okay. So next, not urgent, not important. Both, that work is not important nor it is an emergency. So you need not worry about it. Okay. What is another combination? Urgent, important, not urgent, important. Urgent, important, not urgent, important. Not urgent, not important. Urgent, not important. Urgent, important, not urgent, important. Not urgent, not important. Urgent, not important. So our work should be decided according to such kind of division, and we have to think. For example, urgent and important. For example, going for a checkup, taking somebody to checkup, reacting to somebody falling sick or helpless, or on the road you find you see some accident and someone is suffering, then it is an urgent emergency, and urgent and important. You have to keep other things aside and you have to take an immediate action. Fine, not urgent but important. Just like your homeworks. Just like your homeworks, they are important but they are not urgent, because you can do, you have enough time to do your homeworks and you can submit your homework. So that may not be urgent. And sometimes we don't have urgent, it is not urgent nor important. Both. Like watching TV, watching movie, entertainment. You know, sometimes that is important but not urgent. You know, important but not urgent. So that, like, you can think, yes, you have to collect, you want to, yeah, shop. That is important too, but it is not urgent. That you can do later. So in this way, we have to manage our time. time quadrant. That is the reason we say, I just show the pic of time quadrant here, I share it to you. So all of us have to follow this time quadrant diagram. So all of us have to think and manage our time accordingly. We have to enlist, we have to write down, we have to schedule our works, and we have to do it timely. And see, whenever we have college at 10 o'clock and we start at home by 9 o'clock, then it will be easy and we can reach the college on time. But if you want to start at quarter to 10, then it is not really managing your time, you know. Simply we are neglecting and ignoring our needs. So in this way we have to think and act according to time, and all of us have to use our time wisely and usefully. Fine, I'll just show you the Chrome. Yeah, this is also time wasting work. Instead of time quadrant. Instead of going to Google, I might have chosen Chrome itself, but sometimes it happens. And now my network is very slow today, that's why it's not showing. It's taking much time to download. So anyhow, so these are the things, like as I mentioned, you can Google it, or else in the next class I just show you the time quadrant picture. So urgent, important, not urgent, important. In this way we have to think and use our time purposefully, and there should be a meaning, and we should use our time effectively. Thank you.